What are we doing today, sister?
Putting spark plugs in your truck because, you know, we're self-torturing ourselves.
Okay. See that one?
This here?
Yep. You pinch it and pull it off. I think you gotta pinch it a little bit farther back on it. There you go. I can't freaking get it.
This is
It's
dumb.
awkward.
Yeah. If I get... There.
Oh, good job. Okay.
Is that the only two? While I'm up
no.
here...
There's one way back here.
That hurts your thumbs.
Thank God it's a nice day.
There we go.
Yeah,
Okay, while I'm up here, I'm just gonna pull this other side off too.
Okay. But I think there should be 4 of those on this. I would think. Let me ask the masters quick. Okay. Hey Blake, is there only 3 or is there?
Gotta be 4.
4 of them.
So
Each coil pack has one of them plugs, so that very back one, still got to get yet.
Apparently I don't see it.
It's right back there, next to that whatever EG or that wiring loom.
Fuck, I can't see it.
Why do they make them so hard to come off?
So they don't come off while you drive.
Well, and why is this side turned towards you and this side turned away from you?
That's the wonderful
Stupid.
design of the hemispherical combustion.
Awesome.
I almost feel like it'd be easier to drop the whole damn motor.
I can't get them off.
I'll try that side, but there's one he said it's back there. I should have did my research, folks. Sorry.
Oh, I see it.
Oh God, I thought you were falling.
Not right in my face.
Struggle bus today. They said we only have 3 hours of daylight. Told us to use it wisely. 10 minutes in and...
Oh my God, I got it.
She got it.
Ouch.
Right. Well, we're gonna get a little banged up. Now.
Ooh.
More damn tools. God. You'd think we wouldn't need this much. Ain't nothing easy.
Right, we're not mechanics, so why are we the ones doing this?
Because it'll take a
That's why the
year.
boys are supposed to do this shit.
Here's the thing, if we start it, they have to finish it.
Their hands are probably too big.
Probably for at least that one back there, because I could barely get my hand in there.
I got one screw out. I kind of have an excuse. I can't just lay down on my stomach. Can I see that?
Yeah.
Oh, look at handy dandy Jeremy. Here he comes with another one.
Here's a silver Sharpie, so when you're pulling the coils off, number them, which ones they, so they go back in the same spot.
There. Coils. Are these the... That's not the coil, right?
Yeah, that's the
Okay. I'm putting 1 on this one.
Well, honey, is it the first spot?
Yeah.
Okay.
Put one,
I'm just making sure, like,
put 1D.
for driver.
There you go.
Here's 2P. I'm surprised I don't have to pee yet.
You just started.
Exactly.
Don't worry, she'll be pissing her pants.
Why don't you do the first one first?
You know, I do what I want. Nothing about me makes sense, all right?
How's it going?
Terrible. How am I supposed to get my sausage fingers back there?
No clue. Struggle. It's 99% of the time of working on cars is struggling.
Remember, I like to take stuff apart. I don't like to put it back together.
Oh, that sucks.
Damn it, why didn't we drive 2 vehicles here today?
I'm gonna be more bloody when we're done with this than I've ever been.
I don't know. Remember when you banged your freaking finger doing the brakes?
Hit myself in the face.
Yeah, that was great.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Only because it didn't happen to her.
Yeah, right.
It's always funny to the other siblings.
All the times you hit me. Look at me go.
Ghetto.
You got the third one out?
Yeah.
Say almost.
You had a head start. All your plug things were
You
off.
helped me.
Well,
I'm trying to find that little tool.
what little tool? The gapper? How long are you gonna look for it before you turn around?
Hey, you know, so your gap spec on a 07, because I've been calling it 06 all day. Ram Hemi is 40. Well, that's what Master Mechanic Blake said. So.
Master mechanic.
That's Jay.
The mustache should be here for this.
He's in Prairie. Blake told him,
That's what
alright,
he
see you in
said.
a couple hours. Hello? Hello?
They don't answer the second one, I hang up.
Blake's mother. Perfect timing.
Alright, now we're putting all the spark plugs back in.
We're almost done, and the sun is not almost setting right now. Like, it has not taken us this long. We had to.
We
had
honestly
to make
had to
a
have the guys
7.
some help with some of it because we couldn't reach the back spark plugs because our arms are too short.
And we had to make a 7-course meal for the kids. Like, that's what's taking so long. Oh.
Okay, we're getting the last coil pack on here.
There may be an issue. Is one not in tight?
I thought it was.
Hey, at least it's the easiest to.
I may have cross-threaded it. Oh, you know what?
What?
I think the
The socket's still in there.
yeah.
Hey, that's easy to deal with. She's only on her 16th one, everybody. Give her a break.
Okay, well that's not working to pull it out, so we'll see.
Here, this one's stronger, I think. Yeah.
Oh, I might want to put the right end of the.
This magnet's stronger.
Hold on. I had to put the right end of the extensions on it. That probably would work a lot better. Oh, we're getting this done in just the nick of time because I can't see shit.
Oh, that's Jay's.
Look at that.
You need a flashlight?
Went back on a lot better.
We still got oil to change.
No, we can do that tomorrow.
Pretty epic.
Last one.
Yeah.
Groovis.
Right on time.
You know, a little trick. Another little trick.
On the last one.
On the last one, you teach a
Yep.
trick.
It's our typical.
Take the
Life.
socket,
Yeah.
just the 10 mil, the little one.
I don't know where. Oh, sorry, sister.
No.
No, whatever. But take just the socket
Yeah.
and use that to spin the nut on.
Okay, I got one. Thank you.
Right, I'm saying.
Well, I already had one in my hand. Well, there's that.
Not the ratchet and the socket, just the socket.
Now that it's on there, I can't get the fucker back off.
Oh. He's always so helpful, you know. Literally, this is how it's been all day. We get like something accomplished, and then they come along and go, "Oh, you want to know a little trick?"
You gotta do this side yet too?
No, it's
Side's
done.
Oh, that's it.
Jeremy did
Okay.
that.
Well, we did a lot of it. We had all the plugs in but 3, and then he put the coil packs back on. Just to show us up.
Can I have the pad?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Hopefully it won't slide because my
I
leggings
think you
are...
will. Yeah, you're scaring me.
Well, you know what?
You think I scared you?
At least I'm not knocked up.
I only fell one time, and I was like dangling from the side of the truck.
She was. And then she ran inside. She had to pee.
I thought there was something horrendously wrong. That's why she took off running. I'm like, oh, fuck.
Yeah, I was about to piss my pants.
We're going to the doctor.
Piss right out of you, huh?
Like, I'm just like sliding down the side of the truck. You know, that's a long drop for me, okay? Notice how I have to have a 6-foot ladder to get up here to look at anything?
All done?
Yeah, I don't know how to do their little outro thing. Nobody likes to listen to say when it comes to that. I'm usually like, all right, let's eat. Like, I'm hungry.
Mom, where did that car go?
Nikki went inside.
Fire it up.
And this one.
All right, here it is. 3 weeks later,
We had to cook a 7-course meal for the kids.
Jabo fell asleep. Oh my gosh. That sounds like all 8 cylinders, folks. And 16 spark plugs. There we go. Success. It's dark. There's the moon. Well, that's a street light and the moon's behind it. Here, I'll zoom in. Oh, okay. All right, well, they did it all by themselves. We can't see shit because it's dark.
Good job, girls.
That's what I said. All right, take it away.
Huh?
Yeah, now they need to do an outro. This thing.
We got all the tools.
I think so. Yeah,
We shall soon know. Shots.
there you go. All right, tell everybody what you did. What not to do next time.
Make sure everybody gives you the little pointers right away, not after, you know, you've already struggled. And maybe next time I'll watch more videos, do my homework, you know, my research, and I probably won't tackle a project like this again. Nope. I wouldn't advise it. Like, it's not fun. 16 spark plugs when 4 of them are located, as Jeremy says, in the back seat. Not fun. And next time someone thinks I need to drive a Hemi, I think we're gonna have a little bit more of a discussion about that, because I'm not in agreement. Anyways, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell, comment, be nice, go easy on us. Don't be ratchet.
Be ratchet. Stop it.
She's peeing because she's been holding it for hours.
Yeah, edit that part out.
Blake will edit it out. What do they do? At least it's only cigarettes.
No, he leaves in the worst things when he edits sometimes. I mean, I know it's funny stuff, but like, it makes us look like assholes.
Sometimes I feel like that's like his intentions when the women take over the channel.
To make us look like assholes. If you want to see an asshole, we can start raging right now and see who the real asshole is.
He's like, because I was hangry when we were over in Prairie getting all this shit.
Mm-hmm.
And he's like, remember to be friendly and bubbly on camera. I'm like, give me some food, dude. Like, shut the hell up.
I will not be friendly.
I don't get paid enough for this shit.
Right?